Hey fellas, let's check the nice Dewalt made in 24 and it's just not working, so let's open it to check what's wrong with it. And it looks like a little bit counterfeit. Okay, maybe it's a new series or something, I don't know, I'm not a big fan of the Dewalt. Okay, so do you still think that this is Dewalt? Because okay, DCB 184 by the model. Okay, just going to the Dewalt DCB 184 images, and yep, looks pretty the same. Okay, so what this one have the fuse here, so the fuse is blown out, and that's because of abusing the battery. Let's check the voltages first. Okay, 18.8, 377, 77, 77, 77, 76. Yeah, okay, so it's totally fine here. And what we need to do here, we need to solder the fuse, and that's bad. We have overloaded. What I can say more? That's just bad. So okay. And now, okay, how to make it more visible? Probably I will not make it more visible. More visible for you. For me, everything is visible here. Okay, if I will do like that, and let's see. Okay. Basically, what I want to do now, I want to put some fresh solder here on this strip. Okay, and here on this one. I'm getting it here. It's getting a little bit hard to solder it. Okay, now I'm basically jumping it with the solder. Let's cool it down. Okay. Now you can see that I have jammed it with the solder, but what I will do here, I will put a nickel strip on it. I will put it something like that. Yep, and I will heat it, solder it, and I hope it will hold very well. Why I'm putting the solder on the half of the strip? Because it will help to get it hot easier, and it will stick easier to the giant strip blade. Okay. Let it cool down a little bit, and we will check it. Okay, we have some spot from the solder here, and now you can see we have the old strip, it's not moving. We have the gap here, and we have the new nickel strip here, and that's nice. And we have 2 or 3 LED lights. So this one is working. I will put the warranty sticker, close it, and put that to the charger. And from you, what I need from you, I need a thumbs up and subscribe, because this is a great video and great channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.